you're looking to learn how to import a Google Calendar into AddEvent and sync that, this is the right place for you. So let's dive on in. The first thing that you'll want to do now that you're on the AddEvent dashboard is click into the calendar that you would like to sync your external Google Calendar into. So for me, I'm going to use this example calendar right here. Click on into that. And then that you're on the calendar details page, you'll see this sync external calendar button right here. And go ahead and click on that. And when you do, you should get a pop-up that looks like this. From here, you're going to want to jump into your Google Calendar and go ahead and grab the calendar that you are looking for. So for me, it's example calendar, and hit the settings and sharing from the 3 dots. From there, you can go ahead and click the button that says integrate calendar. And that's going to take you down to this integrate calendar section. You can also just scroll down if you'd like to get there that way as well. And what you're going to want to do is grab the secret address and iCal format. So go ahead and hit that copy to clipboard button. Just so you know, with that pop-up, it's basically saying don't give this to other people. AddEvent will not give that to other people. It's going to just have a sync with the system for you. So go ahead and grab that and then go back into AddEvent, paste your secret ICS link in and hit sync calendar. Give it a second and it should go ahead and say saved once it's completed. You'll now see this calendar URL here. You can delete it if you no longer need to have the external calendar feed syncing, or if you'd like to manually refresh any events, you can go ahead and hit that refresh button. You can also see the last sync date by hovering over the green check mark here as well. And if you'd like to change the colors for the events, you can go ahead and click into the default color code option here and change the colors as such. So that's what you would do. If we go back to the dashboard now, you can see that my event that is on my calendar is right here, and that matches with the event that we see right here. You can also tell that it's imported because it has the little cloud icon next to the event name. And then for any imported synced events, just note that you can't edit them in AddEvent or delete them. They really are just reflecting. So if you need to make any changes, you'll need to do that in your original Google events. So hope this is helpful, and thanks so much for joining us. We will see you next time. Feel free to follow the AddEvent YouTube account if you're looking for more helpful content. Thanks everyone. Bye.